Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today will be the final day of me bleaching my hair. So right now it's so orange. It's been 2 days after I bleached this hair. Right now it looks something like this, red and yellow. Yeah, look at this little color. Yep. So I'm gonna finally bleach everything, and I got my product here that got just delivered. And I switched up my products. This is the Wella powder lightener, and then this one is Wella developer. This is the 20 volume. Yeah, 20 volume. Before I used 30. And I use the L'Oreal Quick Blue. This is the bleach that I use, and only a little bit left in here. So I'm gonna use this up with the 20 developer, and then I'm not sure if I should use this all, like some of my hair, and then after this gone and use this. I'm not sure, but we'll see. I think I'm just gonna use this all. This one I'm gonna leave it just in case if I wanna retouch here and there later on. So, and I know I wear my shirt inside out, so it's okay. This shirt has been going through bad times. Alright you guys, so I'm gonna mix up the products, and oh yeah, and it comes with a little scoop too. Like this. This one comes with the powder. I got it from Amazon. I will again link all the products that I use down below. This has been a long process, so I'm going to link my part 1, part 2. Make sure to check those videos out. So I can't wait to get started. I'm going to use this leave-in conditioner all over my hair before I bleached. I'm going to use that on all over my hair before I bleached, and then I will start bleaching. This is, yeah, Weller. This is from Wella. And then this one is Wella Hair Developer, and this is the number 20 volume. little update. Hey guys, quick little update on my hair. I said, hey guys, quick little update on my hair. This is what it looks like. I bleached about 4 times, and I was gonna bleach it for the 5th time, but I said I'm gonna wait for like a month or so because my hair is like damaged that I didn't even notice. But I didn't even notice until like after I bleach and then wash. I didn't notice that it was so damaged because I put a lot of coconut oil and my hair looks okay. And then the next time when I washed my hair, it was like elasticy, like I thought my hair's gonna fall, but luckily it didn't. So I said I'm just gonna pause for the 5th bleaching time. I said I'm gonna wait until my hair is okay for me to bleach again for the 5th time. So I was really dark on the top. As you saw my previous videos, this is my update on the 4th times. After the 4th time bleaching, this is what it looks like. And I've been washing with the purple shampoo too. But mind you, my root wasn't this dark before. When I bleached it, my roots were blonde, and I waited about like, now it's going into 3rd week, almost a month now, and my roots are like growing, like they already are growing like really fast. So I'm not sure if I want to bleach again. I'm not sure if I want to. Something's stuck in my eyes. So I am not sure if I want to bleach again for the 5th time because I think I kind of like it like this. I know some parts are more blonde and some parts are like yellow, like different colors, like you can see. But I don't really mind because most of the time I put my hair in a bun, or I put my hair in I braid. I just French braid it and then leave it alone like that. But I just wanted to see how I look with blonde hair. That's why I wanted to go blonde. And before I go back to being my natural root color, which is like this dark. But I don't really want to be like dark. So I think I'm just going to keep it like a little bit light blonde, you know, with some highlights. But yeah, I just want to update on my hair. So this is what it looks like. A lot of brassiness and orange color still there. But like I said, maybe I will bleach one more time if I really want to, because I already bought like the bleaching products, and this is the T11. I used to use like T18, Walla T18, but I wanted to try the Walla T11 because I like the blondness. Like it turns out really nice too. Like some part like actually no, I can't really say it turns out really nice in the camera because it doesn't, because like you can see. So yeah, I think I'm okay with this hair color. I can't really do anything. I don't want to go to professional and they'll be like going crazy on me because yeah, since I did this on my own. I kind of regret it because it's so much hard work. My hair's been like very fragile at the bottom, and I got a lot of frizzy hair after shower, so I have to put a lot of oil, like coconut oil or some kind of like treatments. So this is what it looks like. I just wanted to update you guys because I don't think I did it on the 4th time after I bleached. I didn't update it because I thought that I'm gonna do the 5th one and then I will show the final results, but I don't want to bleach again, so I just want to update you guys with this. And I know I am in the same outfit from my previous video, but everything is done in like one video because I feel like my makeup looks like, really nice for me to do a video. So yeah, quick little update on my hair, and thanks for watching. Bye.